So this is the Keydous NJ-80, 80 key keyboard. Got it for $95 on Drop. It's the XDA Happy Planet, also from Drop. The XDA profile, very flat. Definitely not used to the feel of these. The switches are C3 Tangerines. They are lubed and filmed. Has a scroll wheel, USB-C, as well as Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz as well. So connect both ways. And then I found noticeable delay, but with the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, but it's not too bad. But yeah, I think I don't know if I'm imagining it or not, but feel like it's slightly more responsible with the cord, but I haven't really given it a chance to try it out too much yet, but having the wireless is very convenient. Yeah, I definitely would recommend this. The only thing is it's not really easy to take apart. I sort of tried and then backed off. Clips in here. There's little feet here. Try that. Yeah, oh, that's nice. Really nice little keyboard.